So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with, of course, another wig review. And this wig is from a company by the name of Tinashe. Now, this is the first time that I have ever worked with this company, and it is the first time I believe that I have heard of this company. But they reached out to me and asked me to review their 5x5 lace closure glueless curly wig. So this is the wig that I'll be reviewing for you guys today. Now, I'm kind of iffy about this wig. I like her, but then I don't like her. I will definitely get into details about that later, but of course, if you are not familiar with my wig reviews, I will show you the construction of the cap, then I will give you guys some more details about this wig, and then finally I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. Now, aside from that, I also have a coupon code for you guys to use at checkout to save you some points, so make sure you guys check the description box below, the pinned comment, and of course towards the end of the video, make sure you guys look on the screen. And I almost forgot to let you guys know, everything about this wig will be down below in the description box. So if you are interested in hearing about this glueless 5x5 lace closure wig from Tinashe, then keep watching. saw from the previous clip, this company did send me a bag of goodies. Okay, y'all know I love it when companies send you some goodies along with your wig. So in the bag that they sent me a pack of wig caps, they sent me some clips, they sent me a rat tail comb, an edge brush, they sent me a pair of lashes, a bonnet, and they also sent me the little their own little, what is it called, where you can help lay your edges down. Okay, they sent me that as well. I don't think I left anything out, but if I did, of course you guys saw everything that came in the bag. Now this wig has 3 combs. It has 2 in the front and 1 in the back, and also has an adjustable strap, and it has an elastic strap as well. Now again, this is a lace closure wig. It is 5x5, and it did come as a middle part. So let's go ahead and get into a little bit more details about this wig. So this is their undetectable lace deep curly glueless wig. The one that they sent me, once again, is 5x5, and they sent it in 16 inches. Now right now it retails for $178.03. Of course, if you don't want to pay full price, no matter what the price is, you can use either PayPal, Klarna, or Afterpay, which will divide the payments into 4 for about $44.50. So they say fast shipping, 2 to 5 work days, buy now, pay later, free gifts with every order, and 30 days no reason return. So again, this wig style is glueless lace front wig. Hair texture is big curly. Density is 180%. Wig length is 16 inches. Hair material is 100% virgin hair from one donor. The hair color is natural black. Lace is Swiss HD. Hairline is pre-plucked natural hairline. The cap size is average size with adjustable straps, of course. And circumference is 22.5 inches, standard medium size. All right, so let's go ahead and jump back into this wig. Now, as I said in the intro, I'm kind of iffy about this wig. So I showed you guys when I brushed out the wig, and then I showed you guys after I had wet the wig. So this is how it looks wet, because I just wasn't too sure how I liked it, to be honest with you. I just wasn't too sure. This video is solely about it being glueless, but I think I'm going to lay it down tomorrow to see if I like it a little bit better. We'll see. But aside from that, I did notice that this piece right here in the front is long compared to the rest of the hair, which is not bad at all, but I definitely noticed that. Now, as you saw in the clip as well, I did add a little powder to the lace, which I probably shouldn't have because this is an HD lace, so you definitely can see where I put the powder. But I put the powder a little bit in the lace, and then of course in the part. But as far as the hair is soft. Like when I took her out of the bag, she was super soft. So I love the softness of the hair. I love the texture. I did like it when I brushed it out, but like I said, I think I'm going to lay it down to see really how it looks, you know, to see if it looks better brushed out or wet or, you know, whatever. But aside from that, the quality of the hair is really good. Now, she did shed a little bit, more than likely because I did cut the lace and I did cut a little too close. But I did notice when I brushed out the hair, it was kind of tangling up at the ends, like getting a knot. So I would have to pull that out. So it definitely might shed. But of course, this hair is curly, so that is something that you should look out. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Now, I did do a bald cap because I forgot it was a 5x5, so I really didn't have to do that. And then the bald cap really didn't stay. So I have the 2 combs in my hair. But yeah, you guys, I don't know. She's not bad, but like I said, I just don't know if I like her as a glueless type of wig. I said this before, when it comes to glueless wigs, with me, you can still see, you know, my edges, and that's, I kind of don't like that. So I don't know, you guys. Definitely gonna give her a couple more chances, because that's usually how I feel with glueless wigs. At first, I'm not too much feeling them. It's a good idea. Definitely good for beginner friendly. Definitely good if you don't know how to lay down your wig or don't feel like it. So I'm not against glueless wigs, but it's just sometimes I'm just not too sure if I like it. But the hair is absolutely gorgeous. It's gorgeous dry. It was gorgeous in its original state, and it's gorgeous wet as well. So as promised, there is a coupon code that you guys can use at checkout to save you 15% off, and the code is TSIG. So make sure you guys check the description box below as well as the pinned comment for the code. But that is pretty much it for this video. You guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the texture, the length, all of that stuff. If you've had a wig from Tinashe, let me know as well. How did you like it? What kind of wig did you get? All of that. I'm really curious to hear about more wigs from Tinashe. So definitely let me know how you guys feel about that company. But I do want to thank Tinashe for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it. And of course, I hope to work with them again in the future. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one.